Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the how to add a category column in product detail page and filter out the things. So here you can see that we have all the category sections, which product lies in which category. So we have added this column. Okay, so you will get to know about the clear picture about the on which category they are going to belong. Okay, by default we are going to give you the filters also for the categories, so you can see that you can enable and disable that categories also. So if I'm going to disable enable this, so you can see that the categories are disabled and you can add the column at the same moment. Okay, so you can add that one. And in the filters we have the category filter also. So I want only the gear products and apply filter. See, only we have the gear products. If I'm going to filter out the other one, so I can choose another main stops, so I can choose there is no one, and we can choose another men's sale. So you can see that men's sale are in that one part, right? So how we are going to add such kind of things in Magento 2, so let's have a look how we are going to do that. Okay, so this is my folder structure. App, then we have app slash code slash con and product fil- mm, then we have product grid filter. So this is the whole structure of that module. So let's learn step by step what we have to do. Start with the registration.php. You know that about registration. Then we have a etc, then we have a config in module.xml. In config.xml, open with Sublime. So you can see that we have to define for the store ID only, so on which it is going to be labeled. Then we have module.xml that you already know. Okay, moving to the admin HTML, we have di events and system.xml, right? In di.xml we have to override the things, so we have added the category column with this UI data provider, so that it will add that one. And then after that we will add the another one filtering the things, so category filter. Okay, so next we have events.xml. In events.xml we are using catalog production load after this event, so that whenever the product is loading, then we will add the filter one, right? Next we have system.xml. Whether you want to create or not, it depends on to you. Okay, moving to the next one, we have the helper classes, categories and data, where which we are doing the filtration part. So we are get all the categories by which one is active. Then we have a category full name, so this function that you are showing over here, this one. Then we have data.php. So here we are just, these are the math, just this is a helper class. You can see that where we have added the get category product table name and assigned to that category. Moving to the next, we have model, source, categories. This is basically yes or no. Okay, moving to the next, observer. So whenever the product is load, so what we have done is get collection. Then we have all the loaded categories, and we are checking that the products lies in that categories or not. So all these checks are done in product collection load after. Okay, and then we have the UI data provider that we have uses. Then add category fields to the collection.php. Okay, so we have added the field. Okay, then we have add apply filters also. So you can see that we have added these two things in here. So these columns like this one, and in the filter part also, so this gonna be added like this. Okay, by data provider you can add. Moving to the next one, UI component, where we have to add that category section, this one, this part. How we are going to add this part, that is with the help of the UI component in the category we have made, and this will add the things, and you can see that implode this and this. Next we are moving to the view part, that is admin HTML. Already we are working UI component product listing. So here we are adding the things, this one, this part. We have added like this is responsible for this adding this one categories. So we have uses a model source category, and select categories, and categories are showing over here. And in the where we have a UI only, this is basically listing part, okay, that is associated with this one. So whatever it is, like suppose we have getting all the items of the data, and then we are going to check the categories, then we are binding it and showing in the comma separated parts. So that is the process of that one. Okay, so I will show you the full code so that you can write it. Okay, so this is the full module that we have completely explained it. So any query, any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.